sagging, bouncing, or uneven floors, standing water or high humidity, nasty odors, or dangerous mold. Crawl space problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition. This is for Friday, the 18th of February. I'm James Spann. The weather much calmer today. The sky becoming mostly sunny and noticeably cooler. But next week, the weather turns very, very wet. Here we go. This is the upper air look across the country early this morning. The trough responsible for the cold front passage and the active weather yesterday moving on to the east. And we are getting back into drier air. That was the radar this morning, a little before 5 o'clock. What's left of the rain is over South Georgia and parts of the Florida Panhandle. Alabama is dry, and we stay dry through Sunday. Noticeably colder this morning. Haleyville down to 32 around 5 o'clock. Birmingham at 41. Many locations north of Birmingham will likely stay in the 40s all afternoon with a pretty good north breeze. There's the watch warning map. Still got some issues up in the northeast with heavy rain and snow. Blizzard warnings up north for parts of Minnesota and North Dakota. But the deep south will be pretty quiet today. Maybe some thunder along the Atlantic coast from near Daytona Beach up to Chesapeake Bay. No severe weather expected. Tomorrow, not a single thunderstorm across the country. And then day 3, Sunday, there's a chance of thunder mainly west of the state, maybe some thunder moving into West Alabama during the pre-dawn hours Monday as moisture comes back. But again, the weekend should be dry. But next week is looking awfully wet. Look at the bullseye that's over Tennessee, North Alabama, North Mississippi, southern Kentucky for heavy rain next week. This is suggesting parts of the Tennessee Valley could see in excess of 5 inches of rain next week. So obviously one concern will be the possibility of flooding for the northern third of the state. So let's take a look at it. Model fans, this is the GFS, the 06Z run, valid today at 3. Zonal flow, dry air mass. The high today between 48 and 52 for most spots. Tomorrow will be a sunny day to start the weekend. We'll start it off in the upper 20s. The high will be in the upper 50s, a nice warm-up. Sunday, a sunny day. And again, we'll start the day around freezing, but the high should be in the mid-60s. That'll feel pretty good. But Monday, the moisture is back, a warm front lifting northward. And we'll see occasional rain on Monday, maybe a rumble of thunder. The high will be in the 60s. This is Tuesday, evidence the heaviest rain setting up just north of here, parts of Arkansas and Tennessee. But Tuesday should be a very mild day with a chance of scattered showers, the high 74. But again, that heavier rain north of a warm front that should be near the Tennessee state line. And again, very mild. This is Wednesday. Looks relatively dry, just a few isolated showers about. Very mild. Again, we'll be in the 70s. Thursday, the next wave comes in from the west. A lot of snow north of Alabama. And this is Thursday night of next week. With a cold front coming in, that might bring some strong storms. Not really a strong, severe weather signal at this point, but this is a week out, and we'll get much better clarity early next week. But next week looking pretty wet, and this is a week from today, Friday the 25th, troughing to the north, and we're back in a dry air mass. So some chance of rain every day next week, maybe some strong storms Thursday night, and then dry air settles back in on Friday. That's the way it looks now. Let's go out 10 days. This is Sunday the 27th, troughing over Texas, and we're still dry if this verifies. Rain for Birmingham off the European ensemble, the mean between 3 and 4 inches between now and the 4th of March. Look at the warm-up next week. Today, the high 49. Next week, 70s are likely. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Then that cold front arrives Thursday night. We go back in the 50s by Friday and the following weekend. And the latest CPC guidance, this is for the 25th of February through the 3rd of March. In the blue, that means temperatures here will likely be below average. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3 o'clock this afternoon. If you can, catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Cracks in brick, cracks in block? Call Alabama Professional Services. Leaning or bowing basement walls? Call APS. Sticking windows or doors? Call APS. Settling or sinking foundation? That's right. Call APS. It's a fact. Foundation problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS. Call Alabama Professional Services today.